coming down like powder dreams. Fireplace crackling like it's got schemes. Boots by the door, they're soaked and worn. This Christmas night feels country born. Red and green on the table spread, cookies for Santa and cornbread. Snowfall on the porch light, shining just right, wrapping up the night in a blanket of white. Sleigh bells in the distance, I hear them hum. Christmas in the hollow where we all come from. On the porch light, shining just right, wrapping up the night in a blanket of white. Sleigh bells in the distance, I hear them hum. Christmas in the hollow where we all come from. Grandma's got cider in a chipped old mug. Cousins playing cards on the worn out rug. The dog snoring loud near the Christmas tree, and the radio hums Let It Be. Pie in the oven smells like cheer. Whiskey in the eggnog, bring it here. Snowfall on the porch light, shining just right, wrapping up the night in a blanket of white. Sleigh bells in the distance, I hear them hum. Christmas in the hollow where we all come from. On the porch light, shining just right, wrapping up the night in a blanket of white. Sleigh bells in the distance, I hear them hum. Christmas in the hollow where we all come from. Shining just right, wrapping up the night in a blanket of white. Sleigh bells in the distance, I hear them hum. Christmas in the hollow where we all come from.
All right, here's load number one. This has been tricky. I forgot to record. This stuff is super sharp. Can't stand on it. Got packing blankets to protect the edges, and up front there's a wooden box that I had to hoist the tarp over, and I got to put a second tarp back here. This is going South Carolina to middle of nowhere in Indiana. It's about 3,500 pounds, and I just wanted to stop here for a second and give you a sneak peek while I'm tarping. All right, sloppy as hell. Took me about an hour and a half. But that's the first real tarp job I've had to do in probably 15 years. So, it is what it is, I guess. Not the worst I've ever seen. It is sloppy. But these loads are like that. On the other side, the hooks were perfect, but on this side, I'm having to pull them under. So this load's not big enough to be tarped in some areas. But anyway, we got her done. Got everything stowed. I'm gonna go take off down the road and see where the weak spots are, where the wind gets up under it. All right, here we go, load number 3. I had to move some stuff up in here. Actually, I gotta pick those up. Had to stow my tarps back up high. Didn't have anywhere to put this wood, so I had to eat a little of my space. Yesterday's load was a complete disaster to get unloaded. Took them like 2.5 hours. It was a 30-mile-an-hour wind, so I couldn't fold my tarps up. I had to just bunch them up and strap them onto my bed and get here early this morning to stow those. And this was supposed to be picked up yesterday, but because nobody gets it, no dang Hoosiers get in a damn hurry, I wasn't able to get under this. So now I got to try to deliver this today, and then I'll be struggling to catch back up because I should have delivered this morning and got under another load for tomorrow. So that probably cost me $1,000. Well, we're loaded.
Snow dust on my old boots, candy canes in the truck cab too. Tree strapped tight with a red bow knife. Small town Christmas giving all we got. Christmas lights and pickup nights, riding through the snow so bright. Holly jolly with a country twist. Nothing's better than a Christmas like this. Woo! Jingle bells on my rearview swing. Grandma's pie cool and hear the choir sing.
Well, it's Friday evening. I had to actually bring this load over to the truck stop and tarp it here in the Flying J because I ran out of time. I was going to run out of time tarping it. So I got to do that off the clock after my 14 hours. Well, we got her done. It's two like 10-foot pallets under there with some kind of filter cages, and they're plastic wrap, shrink wrap. So this thing is like triple tarp. I'll tell you the whole story when I get situated. I forgot to even record my last load, the Topeka, Kansas to somewhere in Kentucky, south of Lexington, Kentucky. But there's two 10-foot pallets, and then there's 3 little bitty pallets stacked on each other right there in the front. And this is going to the communist New York, so going deep in the enemy territory Monday. Luckily, I already have a load to get the hell out of that cesspool state, so I won't have to be there long. I can fuel up before I go in, so I don't have to give them a nickel of money to the state anyway. But that's my Friday night after 14 hours, after 15 or 16 now. So I'll sit down and talk with you about the week probably tomorrow evening or Sunday morning.